As the world becomes more digital, businesses are looking for skilled software developers to build the technology they need to stay competitive. The demand for software developers is only increasing day by day. Not only is this career in demand, it's also incredibly lucrative. For example, a junior web developer can expect to earn an average starting salary of $60,000 per year, while a software engineer can expect to earn around $85,000 per year. So, are you ready to set yourself apart in today's tech industry? Our software development course bundle covers everything you need to know, from the basics of programming to advanced topics like artificial intelligence. You'll learn popular languages like Java, Python, and C++, giving you the versatility to work on a wide range of projects. But what sets our course apart is that you'll be building real-world projects that will impress potential employers and give you the skills you need to succeed in the tech industry. You'll learn how to create stunning and functional websites using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, build mobile apps with Java and Swift, and develop powerful software with Python and C++. And the best part? You'll have the opportunity to pursue a variety of different career paths in software development. You can become a web developer and create websites for clients. Or perhaps you'll become a software engineer, building robust applications for businesses. And with the skills and experience you'll gain, you'll have the opportunity to join some of the best firms in the industry, from tech giants like Google and Facebook to fast-growing startups. So why wait? Join the thousands of people who have already transformed their careers with our software development course bundle.